Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page. And today's topic is tussle in Tamil Nadu. Tussle means like fight or struggle, means like facing something. So like the something fighting or something struggle was happened in the Tamil Nadu. Let us know about that. The leadership debate in the IADMK, AIADMK hides fault lines in the party and it is the ties with the BJP. So the leadership, so it's according to the debate of the politics. So the leadership, according to the AIADMK, it hides some it's hiding some the faulties, which are in the party of the which party it ties with, means which it has a link up with the BJP party. The ragging debate that Tamil Nadu's ruling AIADMK witnessed that last week over its choice for the offline of Chief Minister for the 2021 Assembly election might have been parameter, but it highlighted the sharp divide between the camps of the CM Edapadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy CMO. So if you observe the ragging debate Tamil Nadu ruling means the fighting was happening in the Tamil Nadu. So according to the ruling, AIADMK had witness, means it had said that last week, according to his choice, it's saying that the office of the Chief Minister for 2021 Assembly for next coming up year for setting up a office for a Chief Ministry or Assembly election might have been a parameter, but it highlighted that in that topic they had highlighted one topic about they divide the share between camps of CM Edapadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy CMO and Panneera Selvam. From now, the leaders have decided not to address the issue and ask party functionaries not to discuss it in the public. So from now they are saying that the leaders shouldn't have decide, like they have to decide their decisions within the politics, but they have to not announce to the public over that. To discuss it, address an issue and ask party functionaries not discuss it in the public. So like they can discuss in their selves and they can do that without saying to public. So like after doing that, automatically the public get an idea, right? If before we are doing, if we discuss our idea with the public may stop us, like they keep any restriction or some faults in us. So like firstly they decided not to say to the public, but they decide and they do that, so that automatically public gets to know. The debate, apart from the timing, was staying as Tamil Nadu with a history of personality cult politics. So according to this, they are saying that the debate, apart from the timing, so apart from the timing, not according to the time, they are saying that the Tamil Nadu was a strange state with a history having the some personalities with the cult politics, and it is not the known to have the tradition of principal parties, declarism and chief ministerial candidates. So like they are saying that they are and it is not known to have the tradition of principal parties. Like they are not interested to have something in the traditional parties declaring according to the chief minister. Until the debate erupted, Mr. Palaniswamy and Mr. Pannaleswaram, who was a brief CM 3 times in the last 19 years, gave the impression of having worked out a successful cohabitation arrangement in the party and the government. So they were saying that until the debate get erupted, means until it get out, who was a brief CM, Mr. Palaneshwaram and Mr. Paneerselvam, and they were the chief minister for Tamil Nadu over last 19 years ago. Means till then, now, because from that time until now, actually they were the CM, like they are maintaining alternatively, and they gave the impression of having and worked out a successful cohesion agreement in the party and the government. So they gave the permission for what the people wanted to do actually according to that. But Mr. Palaniswamy must be wondering why the issue came up. But Mr. Palaniswamy, in two CMs, one CM, Mr. Palaniswamy, actually he was like, he was wondered like first why this debate came and for what reason it came up. As an incumbent CM, he could have and reasonably expected to be projected as the party's nominee. So as an incumbent, the CM Paneeleswaram, he is having he could have some reason, like he is having one reason why this issue came, and he is reasonably accepting that, and that projected the party's nominee. Also, the controversy has much to do with the AIADMK's relationship with its ally, the BJP. So also controversy need also to do that, like they have to maintain a like AIADMKs, they have to maintain a relationship with even BJP. While Mr. Paneeleswaram appears to the upset over the lack of prominence given to him in the government events and over the lack of prominence given to him in the government events, and that the delay in the constitution of the steering committee for the party, his son O.P. Ravindranath Kumar, the only AIADMK candidate elected. So like here they were saying that actually Mr. Paneeleswaram, he appears like if he observe according to what the people observed, like he was something like he was upset because of this and because of the lack of prominence that was given to him by the government. The government events conducted he is the steering for the committee, means he is the head for the committee, and his son O.P. Ravindranath Kumar, he got an candidate elected in the AIADMK during the 2019 Lok Sabha election, and that was not nominated to the Union Council of Ministers. So like his son Ravindranath has elected, but not in the part of the Union Council of Ministers in 2019 Lok Sabha election. To date, the Union government has no AIADMK representative. Mr. Palaniswamy was evidently cautious, keeping in the mind the presence of the seniors in the parliamentary party and also of the advisability of sending his party's nominees to the centre when the popular mood in the state is not favourable to the BJP. So Mr. Palaniswamy, like he was evidently cautious. Cautious means danger. Evidently means like having an witness. Like he is keeping in the mind the presence of seniors. Before him, many CM posts are there, right? So like he kept them in the mind, and he kept in the mind in the parliamentary party, and he took some advices from them, and then party is nominee of the centre when the popular mood in the state is not favourable to BJP. So like they were not actually favourable to the BJP, like they wanted to build their own actually. There is a view within the AIDMK that any tick up with BJP for 2021 would be disastrous as it was in 2019. So like they are saying that there is a view within so actually in 2019 AIADMK was started, but accordingly if we look at that, actually in 2009 that was very bad, and like they are expecting that if we do it again in 2021 it may be disastrous. Besides the differences on policy matters seem unending. So like if they observe on policy matters, on their policy, like if you observe in that matters, actually they were unending. They were continuing. In the recent months, the Palaniswamy regime has made to know that its opposition unequivocally been on the issue of the three language policy. So here if you observe, like they were saying that the Palaniswamy, in the recent months, according to in these 4-5 months, the Palaniswamy regime means he had he had some language policy for the free for the he is having opposition in an unequal way. So beat on the issue 3 language policy or free power of agriculturists or revision of the norms for the determining the creamy layer among OBCs eligible for the quota in education and jobs. So here if you observe, be it on the issue of 3 language policy, the issue is about the 3 language policy and on the free power of the agriculturation and division of the norms, and that is for the determining the creamy layer, the layer among the OBCs. So the creamy layer of the among OBCs eligible for the quota in the education and jobs. So quota means in a quarter, in the part of the education and the jobs, this is useful actually. And the BJP state unit too has been adopting aggressive posturing, especially on Hindu deities and religious matters. So the BJP state unit, it's concentrating more on the Hindu deities and religious matters. So it's more concentrating on the religious matters like Hindu, Christian, Muslim, like that. Its leaders are aggrieved that even though the police have taken action on a row over Canada's Sasti Kavasham, a complication of a Tamil hymns, the AIADMK leadership chose not to comment on the matter, but Mr. Palaniswamy was quick to condemn an incident in the Puducherry of state of AIADMK founder on the MGR being draped in the saffron shell. So if the leaders are aggrieved, the police had taken over the action in the row of over the Kannada Sasti Kavasham, and this was a very big complication for the Tamil hymns. And the AIDMK leadership, according to that leadership, they were saying that they choose not to comment on the other matters, but Mr. Palaniswamy was he reacted very fast over this in the Puducherry of the state of AIDMK founder MGR being wrapped in the saffron shovel. So AIADMK's manager, the founder, lives in that area. Whether or not the alien survives this phase, the signals from the ground are not encouraging. So the signals from the ground are not they were not giving an encouragement to the people. Before taking a call on its alliance with the BJP, the AIDMK should set things right and settle the issue of the chief ministerial candidate for 2021. So they decided to make this AIDMK's situation in 2021 in a very cool and not like last year, but in a very good way. They wanted to model it like that. And let us look at the meanings. Tussle means we already had discussed. Fight and struggle means fighting over something. Impression means an idea, opinion or feeling about something. Impression means good opinion or bad opinion. Good impression or bad impression. I am having a good impression on my friends. So like that. Cohabitation means a state of living together. Cohabitation means living a family living together is called as cohabitation. Incumbent means binding, obligatory, mandatory, existing and present. Binding, obligatory means compulsory actually. We have to do it. Incumbent, incubator, we know that. Incubator means when the babies when the babies are born from the mother just right. Some babies are not able to breathe properly, so they were kept in the incubator for some time. LE means combine or unite for mutual benefit. Merge and amalgamate. Combine or unite for a mutual benefit. Mutual means in an understanding benefit. So to understand each other, combine. Steering means control the direction of a vehicle. Steering, in a car we have steering, right? So without steering we can't drive car actually. So that is the head of here. Mr. Palaniswamy was the head for the in the parliamentary action. Regime means government, especially an authorization one. The government authorization means the government authorized one program and that is the head of that. Unequivocal means unambiguous, living, no doubt, indisputable. Ambiguous means actually ambiguous means we could say in a both way ambidextrous means using both hands with an equal skill. Unequivocal means unambiguous means we are not able to use something in a not able to see things in a something in an equal way. Aggrieved means resentful, discontent, affronted or indecent. Discontent means not having the matter in that, just something no matter there is no matter to discuss in that para like that. Soared means fly or rise high in the air, shoot up, escalate. Fly or rise high in the air means like the birds soared in the sky. So the birds fly in the air. Trigger means activate, set off, trip. Trigger, like for gun we would be having trigger, right? So to activate the gun, actually we start up the trigger. Hostility means unfriendliness, opposition, bitterness, malice. Hostility means disliking. Actually, I like hostility means, how could we remember, means like actually the children are not interested to go to hostel, so they dislike it. So hostility means unfriendliness, not in a friendly manner. Infatuated means make extremely angry, impatient, incensed, and enraged. Like making someone very angry by irritating them, like that. Violated means breach, infringe. Demarcate, set boundaries or limits. Separate, divided. Demarcate means setting up boundaries or limits. This is the last time warning, like that. Like keeping an end to that. Tread means walk, step, stride, pace. Tread means like walking, or like we walk or we step, like that. Recurrent means increasing or reviving after a period. Increasing or reviving means going on increasing, like after, like my study levels had increased after a certain period. So that is today's editorial page. Thank you.